I'm doing this video so you can see exactly the difference, and I'm going to point them out. That right there is the factory bolt. I'm going to get in close on it so you can see it. It's got area right here all the way around for it to seat. This is the problem bolt, the 184 6001. The center one right here. If you look closely, you could see that the flare or the radius goes right into the shoulder here of it. And I'll pick it up here so you can see it goes right into the shoulder with no supporting material. There's supporting right there. Then it drops off, no supporting material, and then a little bit of supporting material on each side, and that's it. Okay. Then we have the 185 6001s, which are done correctly. That's for the 455, and you could see all the way around that underneath the head has surface material for it to sit on. Once again, this is the 185 6001. This is the 184 6001. Look at that. Something is very wrong.